The ultimate deer calling system by Illusion includes the #1 selling Extinguisher deer call, as well as the #1 rated black rack rattling system. The Extinguisher deer call allows you to change from fawn, doe to buck and is your close range communication tool. The black rack is when you really want to amp up the volume and reach out and communicate with deer at afar. This deadly combination provides all the tools you need to be successful at communicating with deer out in the field. All Illusion System products come with advanced informational instructional videos.
Introducing the Flextone Extractor, the one call that does it all. From doe bleats and fawn balls to aggressive grunts and snort wheezes, all with the range of the sliding X-Glide system. This is a call for any time of the season and the only call to carry. The Flextone Extractor turned some heads this season.
The Extinguisher deer call is outselling other deer calls on the market more than 10 to 1 for a reason, because it just plain works. The modest slide allows you to go from the fawn to the doe to the buck in an instant. It also serves to loosen or free up a sticky or frozen reed by sliding it back and forth. Now, the natural tones and the natural volume is what really sets this call apart. It can bring out the instincts in a deer so that you can control what you want them to do. The Extinguisher comes in different color options, black and multiple camo. The throat tube design allows you to do directional calling so you can manipulate where you want the deer to go. And best of all, the Extinguisher is made in the USA.
Here's our handmade cherry grunt call. This call will allow you to make the majority of deer vocalizations. Quickly adjust the O-ring up or down to replicate a buck, doe, or fawn. It has a freeze-proof tip, so on the coldest day, you don't skip a beat. For low volume calling, cover the main barrel and the sound will come out of the side hole. This is the fawn bleat. This is a doe. This is a buck.
Quaker Boys Brawler grunt call, in my opinion, the #1 grunt call in the world. I've never heard a better one. I've never used a better one. This call is made out of acrylic. You see this amber colored acrylic, plus it also has the rubber bellows in between the mouthpiece and the coned hard end, or the acrylic end. This call is very versatile. You can do all different kinds of grunts on it, tending, this, that, whatever you want to do, it'll do it all. And I'll go through a bunch of them right here. You can vary the pitch by squeezing, stretching, pushing it in. With the reed system in it, it will not lock up. It will not stop on. You can blow as hard as you want on it to get a buck's attention. And let's listen to it a minute and see what all we can do. That would be normal, not doing anything. Now I'm going to stretch it out. Push it in. I want to tone it way down. I mash that bellows down. And quiet it right up. But the main thing about a buck grunt call is I like each individual note. And you'll notice that this call does have it. You can blow it as hard as you want. You can bark or growl or whatever you want to do on it. Quality sound, quality call, which will bring in quality deer.